Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to post in video on your Instagram. So first thing we're gonna do is open our Instagram account on Instagram application, and then if you can see on the bottom options here, there is a plus sign. You can directly choose it, but look at this, and then will be generated into our gallery or our media, and then we can choose either we want to post the video as a post feed or story, reel, or live. Here let's have a post. To just filter our media into the videos only, please click in this arrows button and then click the a video sections over here, and then now it's already filtered
Hello everyone,
into
welcome back into this
a video, and then you just need to scroll down and looking for which video that you want to upload on your Instagram. For me, I want to choose this video. Okay, after you already choose your video, just go into this next button over here and click it, and then just simply click next, and then you can write down the captions whatever you want, and then after you write down your caption that you want, just click OK, and now you can click share, and your video is in a process and uploading. Hold on until it 100% uploaded into our videos or our Instagram, sorry. Okay, hold on, and now the video is already uploaded into our Instagram account. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.